Imagine waking up to a flooded living room. Nightmare, right? Let's make sure it stays that way. Whether it's a burst pipe, relentless rain, or an unruly appliance, water damage can transform your cozy home into chaos. The clock starts ticking the moment water invades your space. Mold can start growing within 24 hours, and the damage just keeps piling up. That's where we come in. At AWR Restoration and Cleaning, we're the water damage pros in Kent, Washington, and surrounding areas. Our certified team is on call 24/7, ready to jump into action the minute disaster strikes. We use cutting-edge drying equipment, advanced moisture detection tools, and top-notch restoration techniques to ensure your property is dried and restored back to its pre-damage glory. We don't just clean up the mess, we prevent future headaches like mold, structural weakening, and air quality problems. From water extraction and drying to full property restoration, we've got you covered. Your home's safety and your peace of mind are our top priorities. So if water damage strikes, don't wait, every second counts. Call AWR Restoration and Cleaning today and let our experts bring your property back to life. 253-364-0092, advancedwaterrestoration.com/serving Kent, Washington, and surrounding areas.